Hi guys, I will show you my Nerf reflex, my modded reflex, and you need to do is get a pipe. You need to get a pipe or buy or get in your garage, and the the sharp shot dart holder. Take it off and put it here. Like that. You don't need to glue it. And it's like that. But this glued. Yeah. And this is my modded reflex. And it shoots from 50 to 60 feet. My other video, I already made it. This is more better than the Maverick. This shoots more farther, yeah, and it's hold 2 extra bullets, and yeah, 3 extra bullets, 2, and it shoots, and this is the, you know what it's called, aiming, for aim, and let's just fire it. Our room is, I'm sitting here, it's like 10 feet. This is like 12 feet. Let's testing it. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you for watching, and do this. It shoots 50 to 60 feet, and thanks for watching. Subscribe and rate, like, comment, whatever you want, and bye.